Hi everyone, welcome to FTInsights. I'm Mike Fibus. You know, if the Lyft and Uber rides I've had over the past year are any indication, then dash cams are really starting to take off. And of course, they're not just protection for those of us who drive for a living. They're a great insurance policy against theft or accidents for any of us who own a vehicle. A new generation of dash cams is just now coming to market, and I've been testing one of them, PureCam from PureGear, since just before it was announced at CES in January. Bottom line, it's a nice unit. At 4 inches, the display is roomier than most in the category, plus it gives you more choice than the competition. Of course, you have to use PureGear's cloud service, at least if you want to be sure you'll still have video evidence even if the unit gets stolen. After that though, you can choose which cellular service you like. So far, PureCam supports AT&T and T-Mobile in the US. And you can decide for yourself how much local storage you want for recordings, snapshots, and selfies, because the unit has both an LTE SIM card slot and an SD card slot. The unit is priced aggressively compared to others in this class, like Raven and Owlcam, for example. PureCam starts at just $199 with a year of cloud service and a 16 gigabyte SD card, but no cell service. Hardware setup is quick. Just plug the ample cable into the onboard diagnostic or OBD2 port, and you're off and running. The onboard controls are a bit clunky, and because they're on the right side of the vehicle, you have to feel your way around for it. The good news, once you've got the smartphone app up and running, you won't need the buttons anymore. The app itself works pretty well, providing easy access from anywhere to the settings, cloud recordings, and local storage. The device records simultaneously from both the inward and outward facing cameras. Everything is stored on the SD card. Only videos that are triggered by the G sensor go up to the cloud. The cloud service stores your video indefinitely, but once the SD card is full, new recordings overwrite the oldest ones. The cameras shoot pretty much continuously while you're in motion, and when the vehicle's parked, any motion sensed will start recording from both cameras. We drove down and back to Tucson last weekend. It's about a 2-hour drive each way. Now, just 5 days later, nearly half of the 1-minute videos recorded have already been bumped off the SD card. The recordings are all time-stamped. It's a shame that the system, which has a built-in GPS, doesn't add a location stamp as well. Maybe that will come in a future software revision. All in all though, the PureCam is a solid contender in this category, and at a very competitive price. So that's it for now. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye-bye.